Hello all. This video is a very short tutorial on how to make great tasty fried chicken wings with zero oil added in an air fryer. That's right. That video to your left is the actual representation of the wings frying in my large crux marshmallow air fryer. To be upfront, I did make an earlier video of fried chicken wings with no oil added. However, I purchased this larger air fryer because it has a larger viewing window, and I like that. I like to see what's going on inside the fryer. As a reminder, the focus of this channel is weight management by way of showing the audience how to eat delicious comfort food while lowering the calorie content. You can go a long way towards your weight loss goals by using this very low calorie fried chicken wings that will save you at least 50 calories per wing. And that's a lot. Now, you may be wondering how fried chicken wings can be fried without using oil. It's simple. Chicken skin contains enough fat to sink through the flour and actually fry the chicken, as you will see. But there is one step in between that I'll get to shortly. Before I get started, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell for notifications. This is a new channel, so if you would do those things, it will help me out tremendously. So thank you. So let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are chicken wings, egg whites, enough to totally saturate the wings, flour, enough to thoroughly coat the chicken wings, seasonings of your choice. This video isn't about seasonings. It's solely about frying without using oil. I'm a simple salt and pepper user on my fried wings. Now for the directions. Wash the wings and place them on a rack so that extra moisture can drip off on each side. After you've done that, season the wings to your preference on each side. Then, thoroughly saturate the wings in egg white wash. And the egg white wash is so that the flour will adhere to the wings. Thoroughly coat wings in all-purpose flour. And then, once they're thoroughly coated, then shake them off, to get rid of excess loose flour. Set air fryer temperature to 400 degrees and cook on each side for about 15 to 17 minutes. Now, I've used this configuration, the temperature and the cooking side on 2 different air fryers. It works for both. Hopefully it will work for you. Please get to the end of the cooking cycle on side 2. The flour is exposed and it will flip and continue to cook. That you do. Now you can enjoy them as I have. I've enjoyed them as a cheat day meal that includes potato salad, candied yams, my favorite, and cheddar bay biscuits. Or you can use these wings for your regular maintenance days 1 through 6 with 4.5 ounce of air fryer packaged French fries. And my packaged French fries of choice is O'Reilly. And you can have that with either 2 or 3 wings and the French fries. What day is 1 through 6? Not every single day. Okay, so thanks for watching the demonstration. Please let me know in the comments how this came out for you. Did you share this with your family? If so, did they enjoy it? So my already uploaded low-calorie recipe videos that I've been working furiously to get uploaded so that you will have like a framework on how to reduce your calorie intake so that you can lose weight and maintain it. So the recipes on my recipes playlist currently are, and we'll get to that. Split pea with ham soup, Spanish rice with lean ground beef, New England clam chowder, homemade white clam sauce and linguine, lamb stew, dirty rice and baked chicken thighs, red lobster style shrimp scampi, shrimp salad, homemade chicken and rice soup. Now, I have personally cooked all of these meals and I'm currently using them to both lose weight and, for weight management. That'll come, after I need to lose about another 10 pounds. You'll see it when it's done. And every one of these recipes, like I said, I cook them all. I use them. They're in my freezer right now. They are all delicious. I have lowered the calorie content without sacrificing flavor. And you will learn how I specifically do that. Well, actually, if you view my menu recipe videos, I have 2 of them. It explains how I, do that, reduce the calorie content without forsaking the flavor. So these are good. Most of my recipes I do in servings of 8. And if you're like, a single person or just 1 or 2 in the household, you can save, like I do. I put mine in the freezer. I have a separate freezer where I freeze all these meals. And, but if you have a family household, family of four. Give it to the rest of the family. They'll love it, and they'll never know that you're giving them diet food. Now, you will, of course, give them a larger portion than you would for yourself, while you're dieting or maintaining. It's something to think about, something that you could, actually do. Try it and let me know how it worked out for you and your family. Now, upcoming recipe videos. Now, I actually have one in the works right now that I finished yesterday. And it is adobe baked chicken thigh with yellow saffron rice. So I finished that yesterday. It's in my freezer. Tomorrow is my cheat day, so I won't get around to that until next week. But upcoming recipe videos in the works will be chicken parmesan, chicken marsala, chicken chow mein, a lot of chicken, shrimp fried rice, and of course chicken fried rice, and pork fried rice. And there'll be lots more videos after that. I'm just getting started. If you follow me, you will be able to lose and maintain your weight loss. So this year, in 2023, I'll be adding a fashion playlist with hints on how to dress stylishly as a woman over a certain age, and how to avoid appearing matronly, because that just, I don't want to appear matronly. I don't have to, so why do? Now, admittedly, like I said, I need to lose another 10 pounds. So once I lose the rest of the weight I want to lose, then I will start, reviewing fashion. My fashion sense is casual, casual chic, and casual glam. So I think that's something to look forward to. Oh, and how to, a lot of it will be how to, upstyle your fashion. Dinner fashion, dinner, always have. With accessories. Mostly I'm talking about your choice of footwear and your outerwear. I love outerwear and I love footwear. That's how I style my fashion. So that's something to look forward to in another about probably a minute. Now, I would like to see in the comments which, if any, of the menu recipes in your menu playlist you would like to see demonstrated. I have linked resources below in the description that you can use to determine how to structure your calorie intake based on your age, gender, height, current weight, and activity level. Also is the link to a calorie count. Now please remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notifications bell. And please check out my playlists, which feature uploads for diet menus, diet recipes, and fashion, which I'll get to in the beginning of 2023, which it already is. Until next time.